10. Today we are going to see a 1.2 history of chemistry. So history of anything, not only chemistry, is very challenging and interesting one. So today we are going to see about the history of chemistry. So chemistry didn't attain a major progress till 16th century or till Robert Boyle began his research. So Robert Boyle began his research in chemistry, and he developed many basic ideas, and he developed basic ideas about behavior of gases also, and uh, he developed or he helped to form idea about that small particles could combine to form molecules. So that small particles means atoms. So next, after many years of Robert Boyle, John Dalton used his idea to develop atomic theory. And then, so this is the picture of Robert Boyle. And then chemistry began to develop rapidly in the 17th century. And Joseph Priestley categorized several gases such as oxygen, carbon monoxide, and nitrous oxide. So later nitrous oxide was discovered as laughing gas, and it also worked as anesthetic. So anesthetic is nothing. It is also called anesthesia. When we have taken in this anesthetic, we wouldn't know anything what happens outside or what happens inside. We will be like a bare body, and nothing will we won't know nothing. So in surgery or in operations, doctors give humans this anesthetic or anesthesia, and this anesthetic or anesthesia was first used in 1844 in tooth extraction. And other gases was discovered when chlorine was discovered. And chlorine was discovered by C.W. Skelly. And nitrogen was discovered by Antoine Lavoisier. And Lavoisier was considered as father of chemistry. He discovered the role of oxygen in combustion, and he formulated the law of conservation of matter. And chemists continued to discover more elements or compounds in 18th century. And science also got laid a solid foundation in 18th century. And John Dalton put forth his atomic theory. So here we saw that he combined these ideas to develop atomic theory, and he put forth that atomic theory in 18th century. In 18th century, 1807. And that atomic theory allowed scientists to think about more and more chemistry in more and more ways in systematic way. And Amadeo Avogadro laid the groundwork for a more quantitative approach in chemistry, and by calculating the number of particles in a given amount of gas. So this is called atomic number, and the number of particles in a given element or gas. So that number of particles is called the atomic number. And a lot of effort were put forth while studying chemical reactions, and those efforts led to new materials for being produced. And following those new materials, battery was invented by Alexandro Volta, and electrochemistry was developed by Humphrey Davy and Michael Faraday. And we need a large book to cover up all the inventions of these chemists till 20th century. And this is the battery developed by Volta. And following those inventions of Volta, Davy, and Faraday, till today there are many inventions are coming up. So this is for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.